We're at 86 St. Botolph Street in the Back Bay, and this is the entrance into the building. So you have mailboxes here, and this is the front door. And you can see the views here. There's 7-Eleven at the corner. That's West Newton Street right there. Very central location. And these windows that you see right here, the kind of corner curved ones, are the windows to the studio that we're about to see. So again, front door to the building. And this door is locked. So as you walk in, there are a couple of apartments straight ahead, but the studio that we're seeing is to the left. I'll just turn around so you can see the common areas. There are more apartments upstairs. Front door. Unit 1. As you walk in, there is a kitchenette to the right, so you have a gas stove and a mini fridge with cabinets. There's more storage above the cabinets right there. And then here's the studio itself. So it looks like it can fit a queen-size bed, and you have 4 windows, so it's very, very bright. I opened 3 of the 4. It looks like the tenant prefers to keep the shades down, but you can probably lift them up. Here's the bathroom. It's a decent-sized bathroom. You can definitely put some shelves there like this person did. There's the tub with a shower. So a very standard bathroom. You can see it's in pretty good shape. It's an older unit, but it's very well kept. There are the floors. There's a closet right here to the left of the front door. So this is how we came in. To the left of is the closet. And this area of the studio is carpeted. And you can see that the ceiling is in good shape. So this portion is carpeted. This looks like a full-size bed, so I don't think this one is a queen, but a queen would fit. Just trying to show everything here. Here's the kitchenette again. And I'll show you how to get to the laundry. So the laundry is in the building, but to get there you have to walk around to the back entrance of the building. So as you walk out of the 86 St. Botolph Street building, you take a right here, and I won't go in, but I'll show where the entrance to the laundry is. Then you have to go through this alley. Oh, you know what, since I'm here, I'll just show the laundry. And this is the entrance, so it's locked. So it's only for the people that have the key. 1 second. Okay. And then trash and recycling is here as well. And this is the laundry room. Oh, excuse me. There we go. So you have 2 washers and 2 dryers. It's fairly new. This building didn't have a laundry room before at all. So this was put in just a few years ago, so it's fairly recent. And that's it.